Greetings to our dear panelists, Ms. Golden Ann A. Comisario. I'm Giancarlo C. Abella, here to present my thesis proposal entitled Hematological Response of Pangasius Received Diets Containing Different Levels of Spiny Amaranth, Amaranthus spinosus stock meal challenged with Staphylococcus aureus. This presentation tackles about the Chapter 1 Introduction, Statement of the Problem, Significance of the Study, Objectives of the Study, Scope and Limitation of the Study, Place and Duration of the Study. And for the Chapter 3, Materials and Methods, the Experimental Site, Experimental Fish, Experimental Treatment and Setup, Diet Preparation, Feeding Experiment, Cultivation of Staphylococcus aureus for Challenge Test, Collection of Blood Samples, Challenge Test, and Statistical Analysis. Hematological profiles are essential indicators of fish health and metabolism. Blood is the most often selected tissue in vertebrates, including fish, to assess health status according to Fascio 2019. It offers adequate knowledge of fish biological reactions to external conditions, which addresses homeostasis, according to Shahjahan et al. 2018. Bacterial diseases continue to be a major economic factor for commercial catfish farmers. Disease is a condition that deviates from normal conditions. Fish pets and diseases are all organisms that can damage, disturb, and even cause death. One disease that often attacks fish is bacteria. Bacteria are one of the pathogenic agents that causes loss in fish farming businesses. Attacks such as parasites and bacteria can affect production levels and the quality of fish produced, according to Dewey and Arney 2017. Pangasidae is a family of catfish species recognized physically by having 5 to 6 fin rays, a laterally compressed body, 2 pairs of barbels which were maxillary and mandibular barbels, a long anal fin, a short dorsal fin, and a small adipose fin with a free posterior margin, according to Fitri and Christianus 2019. Pangasius species is generally a hardy and fast-growing fish. Commercially cultured in various Asian countries, namely China, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, Bangladesh, India, Philippines, and Myanmar, according to Fau 2002 and Sonny et al. 2018. Pangasius sp. belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Dellustiae, order Siluriformes, family Pangasidae, genus Pangasius, species Pangasius sp. and English name Pangasius. Amaranthus species, collectively referred to as amaranth, are plant species that are known for being easy to cultivate, rich in nutrients, and underutilized pseudo-cereal plants. They play a crucial role in combating hunger and malnutrition caused by low rainfall conditions, according to Marta and Shimelis 2012. Amaranth stands out as a top-performing crop in addressing various global health concerns, particularly in its capacity to combat multiple diseases. It boasts significantly higher nutritional value when compared to a range of exotic vegetables, including, but not limited to, asparagus, broccoli, celery, parsley, and spinach. As a result, amaranth grains exhibit higher carbohydrate content than amaranth leaves. These carbohydrates, suitable for monogastric organisms, play a vital role in supplying the necessary energy for regular bodily functions such as growth, mobility, and metabolism. Spiny amaranth belongs to the kingdom Plantae, phylum Tracheophyta, class Magnolopsida, order Caryophyllales, family Amarantaceae, genus Amaranthus, species Amaranthus spinosus, English name pigweed or spiny amaranth, and the local name is Culitis. Staphylococci were first identified in 1880 and isolated from the pus of surgical abscesses by Scottish surgeon Sir Alexander Ogston. Ogston was the first to describe pyogenic infections post-surgery that were related to microorganisms he described as micrococci. The grape-like appearance of the bacteria, circular in shape and arranged in clusters, led Ogston to label it Staphylococcus, derived from the Greek words "staphyle" meaning bunch of grapes and "coccus" meaning berry, according to Khan 2017, Nanamani et al. 2017. Staphylococcus aureus, also denoted as Staph aureus or S. aureus, is a gram-positive pathogenic bacterium and is a major cause of different infectious illnesses in humans and in animals. Staphylococcus aureus is a part of the normal flora of animals and humans and can cause a multitude of infections ranging from superficial skin infections to invasive diseases and life-threatening conditions such as blood infections, also called as bacteremia or septicemia. Statement of the problem. The current trend in aquaculture development is towards increased intensification and commercialization of aquatic production. Like other farming sectors, the likelihood of major disease problems increases as aquaculture activities intensify and expand. Disease is considered as a primary constraint to the culture of many aquatic species, impeding both economic and social development in many countries. The focus of this study is mainly to determine the hematological response of pangasius received diets containing different levels of spiny amaranth, stock meal, challenged with Staphylococcus aureus. Significance of the study. Nutritionally, it will shed light on the potential of ASSM as an aquafeed ingredient, which is vital for the sustainable development of aquaculture. In terms of health and disease resistance, it will aid in evaluating the health and immunity of pangasius against bacterial threats like Staphylococcus aureus, thereby helping to safeguard fish welfare and minimize disease-related losses. In science, scientific contribution of this study will be significant, as it provides valuable insights into the effects of plant-based meals on fish health, especially under bacterial stress, enriching the existing scientific literature. Objectives of the study. The main objective of this study is to investigate the effects of diets containing ASSM on the hematological profile of pangasius. The specific objectives are to evaluate the potential of Amaranthus spinosus stock meal as a cost-effective and nutritious feed ingredient for pangasius, to ascertain the optimal dietary regimen for enhancing the hematological response of pangasius, and to determine the effects of ASSM on the hematological parameters of pangasius after 10 weeks of feeding. Scope and limitation of the study. This study will focus on the hematological profile of pangasius who receive diets containing different levels of Amaranthus spinosus stock meal. Other physiological parameters and aspects of pangasius biology will not be covered. The study will be conducted under controlled conditions, and the results may not directly apply to commercial farming conditions. Place and duration of the study. The study will be conducted at the Freshwater Fisheries Center, Isabela State University Echagui Campus, San Fabian, Echagui, Isabela. It will be conducted from July to December 2024. Materials and methods. Experimental site. The study will be conducted at the Freshwater Fisheries Center, Isabela State University, Echagui, Isabela. Glass tanks measuring 70 cm by 50 cm by 46 cm will be used in the study under controlled conditions. Continuous aeration will be provided in each tank. Tanks will be cleaned thoroughly to reduce the risk of any unwanted microorganisms. Experimental fish. Around 300 pieces of pangasius juveniles reared from the existing stocks at the Freshwater Fisheries Center, Isabela State University, Echagui, Isabela will be obtained. The pangasius will be fed and reared for 10 weeks before the experiment. After rearing, 3 fish will be randomly collected and each replicate before the bacterial challenge test. Experimental treatment and setup. The experiment will be conducted following completely randomized design. All the treatments of the different experiments have 3 replicates. Manifestations of Staphylococcus aureus infections of the fish in each treatment will be monitored daily for 3 days after the infection. During this period, fish will be continually fed with experimental diets. Diet preparation. Practical diets will be prepared for the experiment in which 25%, 50% and 75% of fish meal were substituted by ASSM on a protein basis. The feeds will be designated as ASSM 25, ASSM 50, ASSM 75, and for the control, C, serve as control. The feeds were formulated using locally available feed ingredients. The ingredients for the practical diet are readily available at Freshwater Fishery Center. The ingredients will be mixed in a proportion provided in Table 1. Feeding experiment. The experimental fish in each experimental unit will be hand-fed for 10 weeks with 4 nutritional treatments and 3 replicates. The experimental fish will be fed 3 times a day at 8 a.m., 12 p.m., and 4 p.m. at the recommended body weight of 5%. Cultivation of Staphylococcus aureus for challenge test. Pathogenic bacteria of freshwater, S. aureus, obtained from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, will be used in this study. The straight plate method will be used for the pure culture and subculture of S. aureus. The bacteria will be subcultured in nutrient agar and incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours to enhance their pathogenicity. After 3 consecutive subcultures, the bacteria will be transferred to blood agar containing 50 ml nutrient agar with 3% aseptic blood of Nile tilapia or Echlomis niloticus. After 24 hours of incubation, the bacteria will be washed with dextrose and prepared for 10-fold serial dilution. Bacterial cultures in several tubes of nutrient agar media will be maintained as stock for subsequent studies. Collection of blood samples. 3 fish will be randomly collected from each replicate before the bacterial challenge test. Later, blood collection will also be conducted on days 1 and 3 after the bacterial challenge test. Whole blood 0.2 ml will be collected from the lateral line of fish using a syringe 1 cc with a 25 gauge needle that will be rinsed with 0.2 m ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid or EDTA as an anticoagulant. The collected blood sample will be immediately evaluated for hematological profile using a hematological analyzer. The following hematological parameters will be determined. Challenge test. At the end of the feeding trial, a bacterial challenge test will be performed on each experimental treatment with S. aureus to evaluate the effectiveness of ASSM on the hematological parameters of Pangasius sp. To perform a pathogen challenge test, 3 fish from each treatment from the feeding experiment will be randomly selected and transferred among 12 70 cm by 50 cm by 46 cm glass tanks. Each treatment will be maintained in triplicate. Each group of fish will be fed with the respective experimental diets that had been administered during the feeding trial. The fish will then be challenged by intraoperational injection of 0.2 ml of 1 by 10 to the 5 colony forming unit per milliliter. Statistical analysis. One-way ANOVA will be performed to determine the effect of the dynamics of feeding plant protein sources on the hematological profile of Pangasius sp. The significant level applied to all analyses will be set to 5%. SAS software version 9.0 will be used for analysis. That ends my presentation. Thank you for listening. Again, I am Giancarlo C. Abella, a BS Fast 3 student. Thank you.